In this video, we'll go through how to create a course language version on the Vuolearning platform. You can add different language versions for courses. This way, you don't have to create separate courses for different languages, but you can manage one course and its translations. The users can also choose the language in which they want to take the course. The course language versions are created in the course's language settings. Check that the default language is the language in which you have created the original course. Add a new language version by clicking on Add Language Version. Choose the language for the version and add a name and possibly description. Editing the default content is done in the course's Edit view. Check that the default language is chosen in the chapter's language menu. Those elements that do not yet have a translation in some language are marked with an orange icon. When you add an element to the default version, the same empty element will be added to the other language versions as well. When you delete an element, it will be deleted from all the language versions. Choose the language version to which you want to add translations from the chapter's language menu. In this translation view, you can see the default contents and you can add the translations. Remember to also translate the chapter names. Click Save to make the edits visible for the users. Those elements that do not have a translation yet are marked with an orange icon. If the element does not have a translation, the default content will be shown to the users instead. With images and videos, it's possible to use the original content, but if, for example, an image includes text that needs to be translated, it's also possible to replace the original image with a new file. You can track the translation progress in the table of contents or from the progress bar at the top of the chapter. Note that you cannot edit the default content in the translation view. Click the Preview button to see the preview of the translated version. When the language version is ready, it needs to be separately published so that it will become visible for the users. The publishing of the language version is done in the course's language settings. Click on the three dots of the chosen version and publish it. When there are language versions available for a course, the user must always choose in which language they want to take the course. The selection can be done in the course's general view. If they want to change the selection later on, it is possible to do so, but the course needs to be started from the beginning.